In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check credits in Kaiber. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your current balance and how to open the options to top up when you need more. This is a quick process, but I'll add helpful context so you understand what you're seeing and why it matters. First, log into Kaiber. Use the same account you normally create with, so your credit balance reflects your actual usage. Credits are what power your generations and renders, so keeping an eye on them helps you plan your projects and avoid interruptions mid-creation. Once you're signed in and on the main dashboard, you're in the right place. Next, look toward the lower left corner of the interface and click on your profile. It's usually represented by your avatar, initials, or a small profile icon. On some screens, it's anchored in the sidebar. On smaller displays, the same control might appear compact, but will still sit in that lower left area. The key is to click your profile section so the related menu or panel opens. Inside that profile area, you'll see your remaining credits displayed. This is your live balance, the number that tells you how much creative work you can do before needing to add more. If you've been experimenting with multiple prompts or iterating on a project, you might notice the number decreases as you go. This is normal. If the balance looks different than you expected, consider whether you recently completed longer or multiple generations, which may have used more credits. When you're ready to explore adding more, click directly on the credit balance to open the top-up options. This will bring up the choices available for increasing your credits. You can review what's offered, compare the amounts and pricing, and decide what aligns with how you like to create. Some users prefer small, occasional top-ups. Others choose larger bundles so they don't have to think about credits for a while. Take a moment to read the details on that screen so there are no surprises later. A couple of quick tips as you manage your credits. Check your balance before starting a big batch of generations, and keep an eye on it after you finish a creative session so you know where you stand next time. If the display doesn't update right away, give the page a moment to refresh. That's all there is to it. Log in, click your profile at the lower left, view your remaining credits, and click the balance to see top-up options. Simple, transparent, and you're always in control of your creative momentum.